All right, today we're gonna bring a solar outdoors pump for your garden. It could be for a bird's fountain or any kind of water that you want to push out. It could be a actual waterfall, or maybe your actual aquarium if you have, or if you have a koi pond, you could set this up too. It comes with the actual pump here too. It does filter some water. It has LED lights. They do glow at night. They're gonna get fully charged through the day, and then at night you could turn them on, have the beautiful aesthetics look at night. Now the solar panels are large solar panels, and they give you excessive cable, so you can set this up from a distance, and a long K tube, so you actually start pumping some water through there. So we're gonna test it out and see how it works, and then of course different heads for kind of what kind of sprout do you want to display. So there's a spread one, there's a straight one, and there's a couple of them that actually just shoot straight up. So we'll put them together. We're going to put it to the test. So let's go ahead and do that. Take a look at my setup. So I have this on my pool, and check this out, guys. I'm gonna show you what it does. All right, so I got this floating thing that came with it, the sprouts right here, and then I have the LED lights underneath. All right, and the pump, I'm gonna show you guys the pump, how long it is. The actual pump changes colors. Let me turn on get the LED. All right, we're gonna check the modes. All right, and look at the modes. All right, I'm gonna change it. It just changes the actual throttle of it. If I change it again, you don't have that many modes, only one pretty much that you change. So very simple, easy to install, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.